All right, Fat Man, Fat Bike, episode 25. I'm on a long ride. Just a big loop from where I live out into some rural gravel. And as it turns out, because I'm doing a little bit of route finding, some minimum maintenance roads. This one's, well, it's a little clumped up, but it's not too bad. So, let's see, I only caught a commute twice last week. This week, probably more of the same. I've got a Christmas market Thursday through Sunday. So, it's a big deal for us. And so it takes up a lot of time and energy. So yeah, so a little less time for the bike. So I'm kind of looking at it as a little bit of a rest week before I push into the final part of training for Tuscobia. Let's just go ahead and call it the fashion segment. It was 32 when I left the house, and the sun's going down, so that's why I'm shooting the video now. So the temperature's dropping off, and probably the very best thing I can say about this soft shell jacket, it's a Marmot ROM, R-O-M, soft shell, and I can never tell if I'm overgeared or undergeared. So I'd say that's a pretty good indication that this is not a bad shell. Breathes really well. I threw a Under Armour cold gear compression top on underneath it. Finally got some heavy wool socks, 5'10" shoes, and my, is it Kuhl? K-U-H-L, but the U has an umlaut. Yeah, I mean, toes didn't start getting a little nippy until, 15, 20 miles into the ride. So I'd say it's pretty good. Just a light wool cap. And yeah, I love this area of the country. Just these huge, broad horizons. Wind is lower than forecast, so I can't complain. That's generally the mix here. I call it hill training, just riding straight into the wind for as long as I can stand it, and then getting the push back. So yeah, Tuscobia, man, it's 6 weeks away, maybe. Let's see, it's about 5 or 6 weeks. So only so much time left, so I got to make sure that I'm making the most of it. Yeah, well, it looks like my turn's coming up here shortly, so I'm going to let you go because I'm going to be back on pavement, and that means traffic. So thanks for hanging out with me for a little bit, and stay excellent and have a good week.